Under the bed in the dusty space lived a sock with stars and a smiley face. He lost his pair in the laundry swing, but little did he know he'd become a king. Oh, bow down to the sock with style, with a cotton crown and a royal smile. He ruled the drawer with jelly beans, socks and shoelaces and colorful scenes. From dust to throne, what a magical thing, the sock that rose to be a king. He marched past mittens, brave and proud, past sleepy slippers and buttons that bowed. He found a cape from an old red shirt and claimed his throne on a folded skirt. Oh, bow down to the royal thread, he keeps his castle under the bed. He makes big laws like no stinky feet, and throws sock balls in a royal suite. He made a law, wear socks that match, but still loved a crazy pattern batch. He knighted a slipper, hugged a glove, and ruled his kingdom full of love. One day the girl came searching low, where did my favorite sock just go? She found him there with crown and ring, a sock with honor, a socky king. Oh, long live the silly sock king, who turned his tail into everything. He danced on toes, told stories loud, with the royal socks cheering in a crowd. So if your sock goes wandering free, he might be ruling under your knee. In every drawer a dream might hide, with buttons, threads, and stripes with pride. And if you listen, you just might hear a socky king is ruling near.